This message might be exactly what your heart needs right now. If you are feeling lost, broken, or tired of life, then listen carefully, because this reminder is for you. There are moments in life when everything feels heavy. Your heart feels tired, your mind feels restless, and your soul feels empty. You smile in front of people, but deep inside, you are struggling. No one really understands what you're going through, but Allah does. Allah knows the pain you never speak about. Allah sees the tears you hide from the world. And even when you feel completely alone, you are not alone, because Allah is always with you. Sometimes life puts you in situations that you never expected. Things don't go the way you planned. People leave, opportunities disappear, and suddenly everything changes. And you ask yourself, why is this happening to me? But what if this is not the end of your story? What if this pain is actually part of a bigger plan, a plan designed by Allah, who knows what you don't know? You see the struggle, but Allah sees the outcome. You feel the pain, but Allah knows the purpose. Sometimes Allah breaks your heart to save your soul. Sometimes He removes people from your life because they are not good for you. Sometimes He delays your success because the right time has not come yet. And sometimes He tests you just to see how strong your faith really is. So don't lose hope, because hope in Allah is never wasted. No matter how dark your situation is right now, light will come. No matter how long the night feels, morning will arrive. Because Allah has promised, indeed, with hardship comes ease. This is not just a quote, this is a guarantee from Allah. So if you are struggling today, remember that ease is coming, but you have to stay patient. Sabr is not just waiting, it is trusting Allah while you wait. It is believing that everything happening in your life has a reason, even if you don't understand it right now. There are people who gave up right before their life changed. Don't be one of them. Your breakthrough might be closer than you think. Your dua might be accepted any moment. Your situation can change in a second, because when Allah says be, it happens. So why do you worry? Why do you stress so much about things that are already written? If something is meant for you, it will reach you. No one can stop it. And if something is not meant for you, no matter how hard you try, you will never get it. So trust Allah's plan, because His plan is always better than your expectations. Think about your past. There were moments when you thought you would not survive, moments when you felt completely broken, but you are still here, stronger than before. Why? Because Allah carried you when you couldn't carry yourself, so He will help you again. You just need to trust Him. Talk to Allah, not just in good times, but in your worst moments. Pray even when you don't feel like it. Make dua even when you feel unheard, because Allah listens even to the silence of your heart. And never forget, this dunya is temporary. Your pain is temporary. Your struggles are temporary. But the reward from Allah is eternal. One day, all your patience will make sense. All your pain will have a purpose, and you will realize that everything happened perfectly because Allah planned it that way. So don't give up now. You've come too far to quit. Stand up again. Make wudu. Pray with sincerity and say, Ya Allah, I trust you even when I don't understand. and watch how your life begins to change. Because at the end of the day, Allah is enough for you.